That number call means full problem will not call that number.
Okay, sir.
My mother answer call means where money going, you are doing, all ask. You call and tell me money pay, not paid bill means my mother will come call me, scold, what money do, why not bill payment. Please not call.
Okay, sir. Please tell me the number, sir.
No, you call my mummy, tell complaint, give. No, I'll, first salary get means pay.
Thank you, sir.
Why no
All
number,
request, sir.
that number not take. Your name what?
Sir?
Your name what?
Chandra, sir.
Chandra.
Small request, sir.
Yes, Chandra.
Please kindly make the payment on or before due date, that is 14th of every month,
Okay.
to avoid late payment charges and enjoy unlimited service, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
But
sir.
see, Chandra, listen.
Sir?
Not call that number, Chandra. I complain you. Not call, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're not calling or calling that number.
Which number, sir?
One more number there.
Please
That
tell me
bill.
that number, sir.
That bill. Sorry.
Please tell me that one.
No. You mummy call and complain you tell.
No, sir. I will not call that number. Please tell
Then
me,
if you not call, why number take then?
sir.
If you not call means number why take?
If Airtel any offers will means I will call you and I will inform you, sir.
I know all. Oh, you full intelligent. You offer call come means tell him, but mummy call and tell your son will not pay.
No, sir. I will not.
I know. Please not tell.
Okay, sir.
I tell means mummy connection cancel to means your money not get then.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Please not call, okay? What
Okay.
happen, if you call means, mummy tell means number cancel do, only one number only prepaid take tell then.
Okay, sir. Thank
I will
you.
not have pay postpaid,
Okay.
then bill not pay in future. So
Okay,
this I will,
sir.
so not complain please.
Okay, sir.
You my mummy complain means your office come and complain you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for using Airtel. Have pleasant day, Mr. Mohammed.
Thank you. Bye. But please, Chandra, you tell or not tell mummy?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you tell. Hello?
Sir, okay, sir. I will not call to that number, sir.
Which number?
Thank you. Sir?
Which number you not call?
This is 970-100-1533.
This my number only. This number call, no problem. I only. Any
Okay.
time call.
Okay, sir. Which number I have not to call, sir?
You full intelligent there. Which number not call means I will tell that number, you think. I'll not
Uh-huh.
tell, oh, Chandra, you full intelligent. Amma, your full plans of me, oh.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for using Airtel. Have pleasant day, Mr. Mohammed.
You will call or not call mummy number?
Sir, I will not call, sir.
Sure, which number?
Sir, that number is not there with me, sir.
Not there, na? Good. But
Thank
please
you,
don't call, huh? Your number there is call means I'll call you and ask.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, your number there any?
My number, sir.
Yeah, your number give